XRP price prediction. Can Judge Torres tip the scales in favor of a Ripple ETF, XRP to $10 in Q4? Price prediction. Ripple, XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Ripple and the SEC are waiting on Judge Torres to decide on whether to grant the request of both parties to end their long-running case. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Simon Chandler. Author. Simon Chandler. About author. Simon Chandler is a Brighton-based writer and journalist with over 10 years of experience writing about crypto, technology, politics, and culture. He has written for cryptonews.com since late 2017. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. May 14, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. The XRP price has dropped by 5% today, with the altcoin slipping to $2.48 as the crypto market as a whole declines by 4% in the past 24 hours. Despite this fall, XRP remains up by 12.5% in the past week and by 15% in the past month, buoyed by the market-wide recovery that took effect earlier this week after the US and China reached a temporary truce on their tariff war. And one thing that has been bullish for XRP in particular is that the SEC filed its settlement agreement letter last week, requesting that Judge Torres grant the wishes of both parties to suspend their respective appeals and close the case once and for all. Assuming that Torres does provide an indicative ruling in favor of these requests, this could boost the likelihood of approval for several XRP ETFs, something which in turn could boost the XRP price massively. XRP price prediction. Can Judge Torres tip the scales in favor of a Ripple ETF, XRP to $10 in Q4? As noted by lawyer James K. Fillon on X, the SEC filed its letter this time last week, providing one of the final steps in its long-running case with Ripple. Of particular interest is the fact that the SEC is asking to keep only $50 million of the original $125 million settlement, with the rest returning to Ripple. The regulator had initially pushed for a $2 billion penalty. The end of the case could therefore arrive soon enough to have a bearing on next week's intermediate deadlines for several XRP ETF applications, including filings from Bitwise, 21 Shares, Canary Funds, WisdomTree, and Grayscale. But regardless of whether we have to wait until next week or October, when the final deadlines fall, the arrival of spot ETFs will be incredibly bullish for the XRP price. Indeed, the sheer number of outstanding applications, 10, more than for any other altcoin, indicates strong institutional demand for the altcoin. And if we look at XRP's chart today, we see that the token may have entered a more bullish phase, after a very difficult period in February and March and early April. After languishing below 50 during pretty much the entirety of this period, XRP's relative strength index, purple, has risen close to 70 in the past few days. It also seems that whales are getting ready for gains in the near future, with one large trader moving over $73 million in XRP a few hours ago. Based on such factors, we could see the XRP price reach $3 by the end of June, before climbing to $4 by Q4. Other alts for big returns this summer. XRP is going to be one of the market's biggest tokens for some time to come. Yet if traders want the biggest and quickest returns, they may have to turn to newer alternatives. This includes pre-sale coins, which can sometimes outperform the market when they list for the first time, particularly if they've had successful raises. Probably the biggest sale of the year belongs to Solana-based Layer 2 platform Solaxy, SOLX, which has now raised a seriously impressive $36.2 million in its ICO. As Solana's first L2 network, Solaxy will provide users with low transaction fees and super faster confirmation times, helping them to avoid some of the delays and congestion that can still affect Solana even to this day. Solaxy will also offer instant bridging between itself and Solana, while it will gradually expand compatibility to other chains post-launch. Its reach and efficiency could help it become a key hub for meme tokens and DeFi, which continue to provide Solana with much of its traffic. And what's particularly bullish about SOLX itself is that you will need the coin to pay Solaxy's transaction fees, so the token could experience huge demand. Solx's sale will end in the next few weeks, but latecomers can still join by heading over to Solaxy's official website. SOLX currently costs $0.001726, but this will rise again in 2 days, so anyone wanting to lock in the biggest possible gains should act now. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. May 4, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 6 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keelikutty. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.